it's the day of your driving test tomorrow, and you might not have thought about this, but have you thought about what you're going to wear on the day of your driving test? If you haven't, then stay tuned. If you're new to the channel, click on subscribe. So let me get this quite clear then. Whatever you're wearing normally on your driving lessons, that's probably going to suit you for your driving test. You know, it's not a glamour show when you get to test centre. You're there to do a job, which is show the examiner how good and safe you are at driving on the roads in the UK. Okay, so that's the first thing you need to remember. So if you're turning up for your driving lessons in Converse shoes, shorts, or jogging bottoms and a t-shirt or a baggy t-shirt or baggy jumper, then that's probably what you're going to wear, because that's what you normally wear, isn't it? If you wear sunglasses because it's normally sunny and you've got sunglasses, then bring them along at the same time. All right. Now, what you don't want to do is suddenly change the way you dress normally, because it's a driving test. So if you're used to wearing jogging bottoms and the weather's not too bad, then wear your jogging bottoms. But do check the weather forecast, because if you've been learning over the autumn and winter times and we're coming towards summer and you've been wearing nice big boots and pants and jogging bottoms and a jumper, then the weather's going to get warmer and warmer. So you might need to adjust the clothes that you wear to suit the situation. So if you look at the weather forecast for the next day for the test, and it's saying it's going to be 18 degrees and sunny, you don't want to wear a jumper, because all you're going to do is get hot and sticky. You won't be able to concentrate, and you're more likely to get distracted and make a silly mistake. So you might have to wear a t-shirt that day, or you might have to wear jogging shorts, something like that. So whatever feel comfortable and you feel happy with, that's what you got to remember. And if it is going to be a warm, hot day, do bring some water along as well. Don't forget your water to keep you hydrated. Now, one other thing you don't want to be doing is suddenly using something new. So I say that because I've had this in the past where someone turned up with a new pair of shoes on for the driving test. I said, "There's any new shoes?" "Oh yeah. I thought I'd show my new shoes off." Go back in your house and get your normal shoes that you wear and wear them. All right? Because the last thing you want to do is turn up your driving test in a brand new pair of Converse, a brand new pair of trainers, or a brand new pair of shoes. Because even though you're going to look smart in it, it's going to be different. The laces might be too tight. It might feel a bit weird pressing that pedal because the grip under the shoes is a bit too rough. It's too new, so it's not sliding on the pedals, on the clutch. So you're going to find yourself stalling or jumping off the clutch or hitting the gas too hard because the sole's a bit too thick. So wear what you normally wear within reason, okay? Good luck on your driving test, and remember, wear what you normally wear so you feel comfortable and it's sensible clothes at the same time. Safe driving, good luck on the test. I hope this advice helps you. If it does, fantastic. Give it a thumbs up and check out these videos below on the driving test at the same time.